Hello everyone. How you doing? How you today? Happy new month. Welcome to new month of blessing, of favor, of breakthrough. Yeah, we are here again on Wisdom Channel to discuss the matter that matters. And the matter that matters is the way forward, the way out of Nigeria. That is the matter that matters. Yoruba nation, Biafra nation now. No going back about it. Yeah, I read in the dailies the plan of the Nigeria government to using some group that they call themselves coalition of the northern group or whatever. They are planning to be arresting socio-political organization. They mention Afenifere. Afenifere is a standard organization. Afenifere is a law-abiding organization. The organization that need to be arrested is Metiala. It is when Metiala come that problem come into Nigeria, division come into Nigeria. So it is Metiala that is financing terrorism, providing gun, AK-47 for the Fulanis. So they are the one that need to be what? That need to be prescribed as terrorists. That's it. And those groups are using their mouth to say nonsense about Awolowo, that Awolowo is tribalistic. I want to let you know that it is your Sir Ahmadu Bello that was tribalistic. We have his record. We have all that he says, how he's going to, they are going to, that this nation called this new Nigeria is shall be regarded as the estate of their great grandfather, Sir Usman Danfodio. So he's the one that is tribalistic, and he's the one that say everything will be north first. So when we have a big nation like that and one person is having such an evil idea, so he is the one that is tribalistic, and he said they will use the northern minority as a willing tool to accomplish their goal, to make the southerners their conquest territory. And he said the Hausa they are conquered slaves. So also Abubakar Malami said the same thing. So Awolowo is not a tribalistic person. He's a nationalist. It is you people that have said you will ruthlessly prevent. It was Sir Ahmadu Bello that said they will ruthlessly prevent anyone, any southerner from becoming the president. That is why Awolowo could not be president, because you people ruthlessly prevented it, using somebody like Obasanjo to carry out your assignment. So that is that on that. Then on the DSS, the Nigeria DSS need to be held accountable for their criminal activity. They are poisoning their detainees. It is unconstitutional. It is illegal. It is not acceptable. They must be held accountable for their atrocities. Pastor Tunde Bakari, we have been waiting for you to call for a rally long time ago, even at the first time of President Muhammadu Buhari, because he doesn't perform. But now that you say you want to do Nigeria for Nigeria rally, fine. Protest is welcome. Your protest is welcome. It's only the title that I have problem with. I am not, there's no Nigeria for Nigeria anywhere. Since inception of that nation, there has not been any one Nigeria anywhere. So there's no Nigeria for Nigeria anywhere. Do you understand? Nigeria for Nigeria anywhere. That one is, that title is what I am not comfortable with. Do you understand? So there's no Nigeria for Nigeria anywhere. Moreover, the Yoruba nation is not going back about it. So your rally is welcome. Your Nigeria for Nigeria, well, whatever name you call it, is a necessity. That protest, Occupy Nigeria, is very necessary. It's very necessary. Nigeria has expired. Nigeria has expired. To thy tent, O Israel. That is it. To thy tent, Yoruba. To thy tent, Igbo. To thy tent, Hausa. To thy tent, Nupe. To thy tent, Fulani. To thy tent, Gwari. To thy tent. Let everybody go to their tents. Let them belong. Let them go and expand their identity. So that is just it. So you're welcome. You're welcome. We'll be looking forward to the protest like that. You're welcome. Then their plan against Baba Ayo Afenifere, it cannot work out to every Yoruba people. Every attack on one person is attack on all Yoruba people. Yoruba people, rise up. We must not take anything with levity. Be on the lookout. They will not cut us unaware. Let us be ready. Let us be ready. Let us be ready. Thank you for watching. Share this video. Share it, share it, share it. Share it with your friend. Share it with your neighbor. Share it everywhere. And subscribe. And put on your notification bell. So anytime we upload any video, you will be notified. Thank you. God bless you.